Had in Azerbaijani. I had.
Mende var idi.
Welcome. Hey there. This episode is brought to you by Ch.6 Lingo, your shortcut to speaking with confidence. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus practice. Today, you'll nail past possession in Azerbaijani using simple, musical phrases like
Var idi.
and.
Vardı.
Ready? Let's make had hilariously easy. Your goal today. In the next few minutes, you'll say who had what, clearly and confidently. Azerbaijani shows had as there was at someone, owner plus.
Var idi.
Or.
Vardı.
Example, I had.
Mende var idi.
You'll use this pattern with every person. Forms sprint. Repeat after me, short, sharp, and rhythmic. I had.
Mende var idi.
You had, singular.
Sende var idi.
He had.
Onun var idi.
She had.
Onda var idi.
We had.
Bizde var idi.
You had, plural, formal.
Sizde var idi.
They had.
Onlarda vardı.
Base verb, have.
Sahip olmak.
Mini dialogue. Listen in and spot who had what. Say the key line out loud. A. Who had the ticket yesterday? B. I did.
Mende var idi.
A. And the keys? B. You did.
Sende var idi.
A. Did he have the map? B. Yes.
Onun var idi.
A. What about the charger? B. She had it.
Onda var idi.
A. For the picnic, did we have a plan? B. Sure.
Bizde var idi.
A. And the umbrellas? B. You all had them.
Sizde var idi.
A. Snacks? B. They had them.
Onlarda vardı.
Drill time. Your turn, translate fast and proudly. I'll give the English, you say the Azerbaijani, then I confirm. I had money. Say it. Answer.
Mende pul var idi.
You, SG, had a ticket. Go. Answer.
Sende bilet var idi.
He had the answer. Go. Answer.
Onun cevabı var idi.
She had time. Go. Answer.
Onda vaxt var idi.
We had a plan. Go. Answer.
Bizde plan var idi.
You, plural, had questions. Go. Answer.
Sizde suallar var idi.
They had the keys. Go. Answer.
Onlarda açarlar vardı.
Remember, the base verb is have.
Sahip olmak.
Culture tip. Tiny grammar gem coming up. In Azerbaijani, you don't have directly, you show existence with the owner, at me, you, him, plus.
Var idi.
Or.
Vardı.
That's why I had is.
Mende var idi.
Literally, there was at me. For they had, everyday speech often uses.
Onlarda vardı.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll pause for you. Q1. How do you say we had in Azerbaijani? A.
Bizde var idi.
Q2. Say, she had, short and clear. A.
Onda var idi.
Q3. The base verb, have, is. A.
Sahip olmak.
Q4. Translate, you had, plural. A.
Sizde var idi.
Q5. Which form means, they had. A.
Onlarda vardı.
Memory hooks. Lock it in with rhythm and a smile. Clap clap, tap tap. MND, var ID.
Mende var idi.
Point at a friend and step back for the past.
Sende var idi.
For, they had, chant the drumbeat, on lardavard.
Onlarda vardı.
Challenge. Create 3 mini lines, speak them boldly. 1. I had a question. Use.
Mende var idi.
2. You, SG, had the map. Use.
Sende var idi.
3. They had the tickets. Use.
Onlarda vardı.
Optional remix. Add one with the base verb, have, in a note to yourself. Remember to practice.
Sahip olmak.
Exclamation mark quote. Wrap up. Nice work, your had game is strong. Today you nailed.
Mende var idi. Sende var idi. Onun var idi. Onda var idi. Bizde var idi. Sizde var idi. Onlarda vardı.
And the verb.
Sahip olmak.
Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, quizzes, and downloads. See you next time.